Crab Island in Destin, Florida is the ultimate place for some family fun, bachelorette parties, corporate events, or just time with friends. Check out the fabulous scenery, beautiful water, super fun boats. Check out 30A Pontoon Rentals, fabulous 150 and 200 horsepower double-decker tritoons with water slides. These are the fastest pontoon rental boats at Crab Island. You can cruise around the Crab Island area, Destin Harbor, check out some of the bayous. Check us out, 30apontoon.com, or check out our yacht charters at 30ayachtcharters.com or our fishing charters at 30ayachtcharters.com. Look forward to seeing you out this season.